Many people search for the happiness, but sometimes you just have to stop and wait until happiness comes to you. Vrindavan is the place where you can slow down and wait for a miracle to happen. For those who constantly chant Hare Krishna and eat only prasadam, the food offered to Krishna, happiness is not a miracle. It becomes their reality. Service to God begins with the tongue. Chanting Hare Krishna is a cure, and eating prasadam is a diet. Due to chanting the holy name of Krishna and eating the foods offered to him, we are being cured of a painful existence in the material world. Today we are going to cook a popular dish of Indian cuisine called Palak Paneer. Palak is spinach. In Vrindavan, spinach grows in the fields and it's very cheap. An important rule is that we wash the leaves and leafy vegetables and herbs in large quantities of water. The earth is washed away from the greenery and it settles at the bottom. So we are thoroughly washing the spinach from the sand. Put washed spinach in a pressure cooker and set on fire. You don't need to add anything else. Neither oil nor water. We are waiting for the hissing sound and turn it off. It's getting cooked very fast, and in a minute after boiling you can open the lid. Spinach has decreased in size and we got some water on the bottom. We don't need this water, so we pour it out. Use a blender and mash the spinach. Let's chop tomatoes and paneer. Put a frying pan on the fire. Now we start doing masala. For a more intense taste, use ghee or melted butter for frying spices, but also you can use any refined vegetable oil. Add cumin seeds. Whole spices should be fried for at least 10 seconds. Next, add the powder spices, ground coriander and turmeric. I show you the general principle of using spices, but you can create your own flavor variations. Add tomatoes. Fry them for a couple of minutes. Adding tomatoes is also an option. You can cook without them, but tomatoes make the taste softer. In India, people cook spinach in different ways. Sometimes spinach is made with fresh leaves of shambhala or methi. It's a matter of taste. Now let's add the paneer and fry it a bit. Add the spinach and mix it. Usually we salt the dish at the end, since we can see the full amount of what needs to be salted. At the end, add a little bit of fat cream. Mix it all and cover. We will wait for 1 minute and add a pinch of garam masala spices. Now the dish is ready. Palak paneer is easy to prepare and it's a very tasty dish. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Many sadhus live in Vrindavana. Their life is very unpretentious, but at the same time their eyes shine with happiness. Real sadhus don't bother you on the streets and do not ask for money. They are satisfied with their life, but I humbly recommend you giving them some donations when you meet them on the street, because Kṛṣṇa is very happy when we serve his devotees. Please come to Vrindavan. Kṛṣṇa and Srimati Radharani are waiting for you. Meanwhile, subscribe to the YouTube channel and press the bell so as not to miss new recipes. It was Manjari from Vrindavan. See you soon.